Hi, this is Dirt Farmer Maggie from DirtFarmerJ.com. Today I'm going to tell you about a great gardening bench from Garrett Wade that Dirt Farmer J bought for me, and I'm going to show you how much it'll save your back this spring. Hey, Dirt Farmer Maggie here. Before I forget, I want to tell you that we have a brand new website at DirtFarmerJ.com, same address, brand new everything. We've got a blog, we've got ways for you to communicate with us, we've got all kinds of things on there, so go ahead and check it out, all right? Do that for me. Now let's get on to this kneeling bench. This is a kneeling or a sitting bench. So you can see that I'm at a sort of a little bit of a high bed here. So for me to kneel wouldn't really allow me to reach out into here, to pull things off, to do all of that stuff. So for something this height, it's perfect. But if I'm going to be kneeling, it's not going to work so good at this type of bed. I suppose I could walk out this way, but again, now you're stretching your back. You can do either way with it. It's really easy to pop open and close. It has a handy little pack here to put your pruner and your gloves in, and then you can just attach it to the side. Closes with Velcro. That's really, really handy. Okay, now we've moved over here to another bed that's a lower bed that's really level with the ground. It's one of our center of the yard beds. The only thing I need to do to make this a kneeling bench is take this off and then just flip it over. And now I've got something to hold on to help myself lower down onto my knees. And it's so comfortable. These pads are very cushiony and it's not hurting my knees at all. So this is one thing I really love about spring. It's like Christmas. Christmas all over. Everything's wrapped up in packages. And when you open it up, you see the beauty that's inside it. So right here we got a mess of grass and an old dead sunflower from last year, but look at there. In the middle of all that, we've got a beautiful plant coming up. So I'm going to very carefully now take my favorite tool, which is an old knife, and get this grass out of here, and in no time at all I'll have that beautiful plant uncovered. So when the job is done, all you have to do is hold on to the sides, push yourself up, and there you have it. Then you're going to fold it up, and we put some cheat marks on ours because it was hard to remember which one to fold down first. So this one's got number 1. So that's number 1. I'm going to pull this lever here to release it. Down it goes. Same thing over here. And now they nest right inside of each other. And there you have it. It's lightweight. It's easy to carry. And I'll tell you what, I think it's going to be a great tool to use this year. Now this is from Garrett Wade, as I mentioned before. I think it's $29.95, but by the time you get tax and shipping, it's closer to $40. But I'll tell you what, $40 is well worth it to save your back and your knees this gardening season. If you found this video to be helpful, please like it. And also subscribe to our channel if you're not already a subscriber. Don't forget to check out our new website. Old address, DirtFarmerJ.com, brand new website with a blog, with recipes, with a new merchandise line that's going to open soon. So make sure you check that out. And until next time, this is Dirt Farmer Maggie. I got some digging to do.